In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix PS4 lag and freezing. So what you want to do is that you want to first prioritize this thing. So you go to your network and you want to make sure that you're on a LAN cable, because that's going to be the fastest and most stable connection you're going to get. But I know a lot of people, they don't have LAN cable and they have their PlayStation in the living room or something, and that's okay. You just want to make sure that either you have your router close to your PlayStation, or you just tell your family members to get off the Wi-Fi, or just play at night, because usually nighttime is the time where people are using the Wi-Fi less. So just try out those tips. And then I want you to also go to the setup internet connection, and you want to go to a custom, and then you want to press a manual DNS, and then you want to make sure that the numbers for the primary is 8888 and then secondary is 8844, and that's Google's DNS, so that should help you out when you're in Wi-Fi. And yeah, just try that out and then test the new internet connection, and the megabyte for upload speed should be faster, but it'll also help you in reducing your lag in the games and fixing any kind of freezing, because you're just going to be getting a more stable connection. And then the next thing I recommend you guys to do is you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to devices, then Bluetooth devices, and then you want to press the DualShock 4 and then disconnect it. And then you want to unplug the wire from your DualShock 4. And then after you do that, you plug the wire back in, and then you hold your PlayStation button to reconnect it. And then that'll just reset your controller system to lower more of the controller's input lag. And then you want to go to your device for audio, and then you want to make sure these are matching, and then turn off your automatically connect to the headset, because it's going to reduce a lot of your lag, because it's something that the PlayStation has to do automatically, and you want to make sure that your PlayStation's not stressing a lot and like memorizing things and having storage and like memory and stuff. So you want to uncheck that, and trust me, you guys are going to feel a lot less delay when you have that unchecked. And then you want to make sure it's matching, of course. And then after that, I go to accessibility, and I press the invert colors, and then I toggle it off. And then what that does is that it resets your PlayStation's GPU, and it just helps lower the lag as well, and also just reset your GPU system in the PS4, basically just your graphics and stuff. And then after that, you want to go to trophies, and then go to whatever game you're playing, and then press the options button on your PlayStation, and then press sync with PlayStation Network on the game, and then that'll lower the lag on your game. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to friends, and then you want to make sure that you clear out any friends you don't play with anymore, or just in general, if you want to be like a sweaty tryhard, just delete all your friends, and that will significantly lower your lag, trust me. And this is not trolling at all. And then make sure like your block players, you unblock them, because it's extra storage on your PlayStation that it has to memorize, and you don't want that. So that'll help out a lot too. But if you don't want to remove your friends and stuff, just make sure that you every time you start out your PS4, you want to make sure that you rebuild the database. And how you do that is you hold your PlayStation button for 10 seconds, and you should hear 2 beeps when you after you turn it off. And then you press the option 5 when you rebuild the database, and then you press OK on option 5. And then once you get into your PlayStation 4, the first thing you should do is just press the friends button, and then you go into notifications, and then there should be like another notification that pops up, and then you want to delete it. And then after that, you go to downloads, make sure there's none, and then go to uploads, make sure there's none. And then the last step is you want to go to internet browser, you want to close the window, make sure there's none in there, and then browsing history, make sure there's none. And then settings, you want to make sure you delete your cookies, and then clear your website data. And then that's it, guys. And let me know how it goes, because you're going to feel a significant difference in input lag, and you're going to feel a lot smoother in your game. So yeah, let me know how it goes. That'll be it. Thanks.